multiplayer disconnects error PC. If multiplayer keeps disconnecting in Subnautica 2, the issue is usually caused by unstable internet, NAT restrictions, firewall blocks, corrupted network cache, VPN conflicts, or server instability. Follow these fixes step by step. Hash 1. Restart your router and PC. Temporary network glitches often cause random disconnects. Steps 1. Turn off your PC. 2. Unplug your router modem for 2 minutes. 3. Plug it back in. 4. Wait until internet fully reconnects. 5. Start the game again. Number 2. Use wired internet instead of Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi packet loss is one of the biggest causes of multiplayer disconnects. A wired Ethernet connection provides lower ping, stable packets, fewer disconnects, better synchronization. If Ethernet is not possible, use 5 GHz Wi-Fi, stay close to router, disconnect other heavy devices. Number 3. Allow the game through Firewall. Windows Firewall may block multiplayer traffic. Steps 1. Press Windows S to search. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3. Click Change Settings. 4. Find Subnautica 2. 5. Enable Private Public. If not listed, click Allow Another App, add the game.exe. 4. Disable VPN and proxy VPNs frequently break multiplayer connections. Disable VPN software, exit lag, proxy connections, Cloudflare warp temporarily, then restart the game. Nashstar 5. Reset network settings. Corrupted Windows network cache can cause disconnect loops. Open command prompt as administrator. Run these commands one by one. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart your PC afterward. 6. Verify game files, Steam. Corrupted multiplayer files can trigger connection errors. Steps 1. Open Steam. 2. Right-click Subnautica 2. 3. Properties. 4. Installed files. 5. Click. You can see the code in our conversation history. Wait for verification to complete. Number 7. Disable background network apps. These apps may interfere with online connectivity. Discord overlay, MSI Afterburner, RTSS, Overwolf, antivirus web shields, bandwidth limiters. Close them completely before launching the game. 8. Change DNS server. A better DNS can improve connection stability. Recommended DNS. Google DNS. You can see the code in our conversation history. Cloudflare DNS. You can see the code in our conversation history. How to change 1. Open. You can see the code in our conversation history. 2. Right-click your active connection. 3. Properties. Double-click. You can see the code in our conversation history. 5. Enter DNS manually. 6. Save changes. 9. Enable UPnP or OpenNAT. Strict NAT type can disconnect multiplayer sessions. Router settings. Enable UPnP, OpenNAT, NAT-PMP if available. Restart router afterward. Number 10. Check server status. Sometimes servers are temporarily overloaded or offline. Wait a while and try different region server, rejoining host, restarting lobby. Number 11. Update network drivers. Old network drivers can cause packet loss. Update Intel Wi-Fi LAN drivers, Realtek Ethernet drivers, motherboard